If you ever desire to build a wide chest like this video is for you. You don't need a gym to build your chest. I'm doing a 6 push-up exercise that hit the entire chest, upper, middle, and lower. And anyone can do this at home. Here is the challenge. 2 exercises for upper chest. First, Spider-Man push-ups. This is how to do it. Be in a push-up position. Then as you go down, bring your knee to your elbow. Keep your core tight. This movement stretches your upper chest and it also hits your abs. Control every rep, slow down. This way your upper chest will be crying. Next, decline push-up. Put your feet on a chair, bench or step. Then as you go down, your hands should be 45 degrees to your body, not 90 to avoid injury. Elevating your feet shifts the work to your upper chest. Go down slowly, pause for a second, then push up strong. In these upper chest exercises, angle matters, control matters, and every rep matters. Now, 2 exercises for the baby chest. Narrow push-up. This push-up looks simple, but done correctly, it is very powerful. Keep your hands closer to your body. This makes your chest and triceps work harder. Then keep your body straight. Don't let your hips drop. Note, slow reps build strength faster and create more tension on the middle chest. Next on our list is standard push-up. This is the foundation of all chest training. Master it and your chest will go. Also, your hands must be 45 degrees from your body. Chest down and full extension at the top when you push up. Now we finish with the lower chest. This is also very important because it gives your chest that full shape. To do incline push-up, put your hands on a chair, bench or step. Then keep your chest forward. Go down slow and push up with power. This way, you target the lower chest more than other parts. This last push-up is very crucial for your lower chest. Elevated bench press. This is how you do it. Place your hands at the edge of the bench, then bend your knee. This type of push-up works like dips. As you go down, it stretches your lower chest, and as you push up, it closes it. While doing all these push-ups, make sure you don't rush your reps because control builds muscle, focus builds strength, and it is consistency that builds result. Do this workout 3 to 4 times per week. Increase your reps over time. Your body will definitely change if you don't quit. Subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next video.